is Don the Average Joe coming at you again with another video. I'm doing another cooking channel, no cooking segment. Alright. What am I doing today? This is Run Boat Vlog 7. I did 6 a couple of days ago, so this is 7 that I'm doing today. Alright. So like I said, doing another cooking thing today. Right, and today what I'm making is Stewpeas and rice. Alright. Now my Stewpeas is gonna have a little twist to it. Alright. It's gonna be my own version because I like to put a little bit of twist to my food and whatnot. I like to spice it up a little bit. I'm original, I'm done. Right? So I'm gonna put a little twist to it. The last time I made Stewpeas and rice, right? I made, Stewpeas with codfish, right? Didn't put any meat in it, right? It came out fabulous. It's tasty, right? So I figured today, do something with a little twist on it again, right? I do Stewpeas with turkey chopmeat, right? So we turkey chopmeat and chicken foot. Alright, so that's what's going to be amazing today. It's going to be Stewpeas, right, with turkey chopmeat, chicken foot, and white rice, right? And of course it's going to come out fabulous because, Don the Average Joe knows how to do his thing, right? So, y'all want to go cooking with me? Let's do it. Alright, so, I actually have the meat prepared, the chopped meat prepared already. Already got it done. Alright. You can see the steam coming out of the pot right there. I'm going to do it off the see. Yeah, so that's done. I can see the steam coming out of there, right? I got that done for y'all, right? That's prepared, right? So we gotta get that out of the way. Next thing I'm going to do is my chicken feet, alright? The chicken feet right there. With all the toes and stuff like that on there. See the toes on there? I gotta get the toes off. I gotta chop toes off because I ain't gonna cook with the toes on. Right? So I'm gonna get that prepared and get everything ready and start the cooking process.
Bessie, don't make me ball this bitch up on you. You were acting up last night. Right? You were acting up last night. As a matter of fact, no, I'm sorry, Bessie. I ain't gonna dedicate this one to you. I'm gonna dedicate this one to that damn Afalabi. Right? He been acting up, so I'm gonna ball this bitch up on Afalabi. And next time I see him, I'm gonna ball this bitch up on him. Right? I'm gonna slap the shit out of him like this. You know what I'm saying? Slap the shit out of him like that. You know what I'm talking about? That's it. That's what's gonna happen to Afalabi when I see him. Anyway, back to my regular scheduled program. Yeah.
Alright, ladies and gentlemen. Here we are. I'm gonna cut all the toes off the chicken. Right? The chickens are toeless. Chicken feet are toeless. Right? Cut all the toes off of it. Right? Y'all believe me? Y'all believe me now. See all little toes right there? Y'all lay on top of my cutting board? I cut them all off. Yeah. I don't know. For the fact that, this situation is going on right now with COVID-19 and whatnot. COVID-19 or coronavirus. A lot of you females can't get out there to get their nails done and all that stuff, so y'all can relate, some of y'all females. Maybe y'all gotta cut your daggone nails off, just like I did with a daggone chicken stove. I'm just saying. Alright, so next thing I'm going to do is, as a matter of fact, I bought a new pressure cooker. I bought an electronic pressure cooker, right? I don't want to spend too much of a long time in the kitchen today, right? So I'm going to utilize my brand new pressure cooker, right? And see if I can get this meal done as fast as possible, right? So I'm about to break that out and give it a test run, see how it works. Here we go, folks. My brand new pressure cooker that I got from Best Buy a couple weeks ago. Right, I haven't used it yet. Like I said, it's still brand new. Just took it out of the box not too long ago. Alright, so we're about to give her a test run today. So I'm gonna put the chicken feet in there and let the pressure cooker do its thing. You know, of course chicken feet, they're hard as hell. And they take a long time to cook. And I really ain't got no time. I want to make this video as short as possible today. You know, so I'm gonna get the pressure cooker, throw the chicken feet in there, get that cooked, and hopefully it should be done in 15 minutes. So here we go, ladies and gentlemen. Get my chicken feet in the pressure cooker container. I'm gonna stick it in there, and hopefully it's done in 15 minutes. My first time using pressure cooker, so yeah. Oh yeah, you didn't want to boil? You wouldn't even want to boil, wouldn't you?
Yes, sir.
Hmm?
Yes, sir.
So you pretend like it's first time seeing it.
I didn't realize I didn't see the bottom of the table and come over, so I didn't hand.
You know how to use this thing? Don't you ever want to test it when you come turn it on?
No, dear, that's a totally different thing from us. I know that. Read the instruction. That's what they're trying to say. Read the instruction.
That's what's going on.
You smile everything in that board instruction. But that's the ID number here for this one. I'm about to dry. I will walk 500 miles. I will walk 500 miles. Da, da, da.
I left it open. I don't want nobody barging in. Yeah, it doesn't to me. I ain't got the money to get the damn people. I don't want to get sued. Okay, so I got the pressure cooker started. It seems like it's going. It says it's going to take 20 minutes, you know, because I put the setting on poultry. It says 20 minutes, so right now it's 5 after 5. So I figure about 5:25, you know, it should be ready. All right, so I'll get back with you in a few minutes, about 20 minutes or so. Okay, folks. So my chicken feet, it's just about done, right? And I had it in a pressure cooker for a good 20 minutes. All right, so it's complete. So I'm waiting for it to cool off right now. I'm not gonna open it up right now. I'm just gonna let it sit for about 5 minutes and cool off. So after that's done, I'll add to the pot. So what I'm gonna do right now, I'm gonna get all my stuff prepared. All right. I'm cheating. All right. You know, because usually I use the package, the peas, the red peas in the package, the golden peas in the package, right? You know, because I want to get everything done, you know, at a fast pace today, right? I'm going to use canned beans. I mean, it still works, you know. Canned beans, they're pre-cooked, right? Stick them in the pot, and with all the ingredients, my coconut milk, and my seasoning, my spices, and so on and so forth. And you know, we should be done in the next probably hour or so. All right. Alright, so I'm just going to add a little bit of water to my container. And the next thing I'm going to add is my Grace cream of coconut. Alright. I'm going to add, of course, you know, first it's hardened. Yeah. I'm going to add it to it. You know, I love coconut. Coconut gives everything some flavor. You know, plus I love everything there on coconut. I put coconut chunks batter. So next I'm gonna add this is coconut powder, right? So I have my you know, my cream coconut in there, right? Get my train of thought together, cream coconut, and then I add a couple spoons of coconut powder. Alright, so there you have it, folks. Nice and kneaded. Look at that. It's like Play-Doh. Okay, squeeze that bad boy. Yeah. Look at that. Squeeze it. Squeeze it. Yeah. Alright, so I'm not playing around with my food. Let me get in the pot and get this process going.
bad gas or something. You sure do. No shit. I don't think it was some pancakes I had or something. No, it wasn't no pancakes. The pancakes ain't rotting in your belly that fast shit. Couldn't crawl up in your ass and die or something. You smell like cat shit. Damn. Take it open my mouth. Your ass and shit. You lying. You done shit it in your clothes. Yo, there ain't no poop fart that's stinking. Open this window. And my window don't work. Girl, open the window for real though. Open the damn window. The window don't work. All that supposed to get is thick. How can all that stink come out your little ass? I can see what ass big as mine. Hell, dog. Too much stink coming out of it. Shit. I'm so stinky. I'm icing it. Sorry. Can you turn the vent on? No, the vent don't work either. You see, you lying to me. No, I'm not. I'm serious. No, my stomach hurt and you here yelling at me like, hell yeah, you stink ass. What the fuck you think? I'm yelling at you showing else because you killing me. Hell, I'm not playing with you stink ass out for you. Oh my God. Have mercy. Grandma. This is what you call some thick funk. It's so thick you're about to cut my nose open.
We don't know what I did.
You didn't get no stimulus check.
He collapsed.
You didn't get no government money.
Now I get now I get crumb.
Getting jacked. Okay, folks. So I added the chicken feet and the turkey chop meat to my pot. Right, it's my so-called Stewpeas. So I'm gonna let it sit there, simmer. I'm gonna add the spices and seasoning and all that stuff in a few minutes. All right, and yeah, and that's it. All right, my Stewpeas and rice, or Stewpeas with a twist. That's what it's called, Stewpeas with a twist. You got turkey chop meat in there. Something different. Y'all never heard of that before. Turkey chop meat and Stewpeas. Shoot, y'all Jamaicans out there know. You know, when y'all do your traditional Stewpeas, what's it having it? Pigtail. Yeah, or salt beef. I don't put neither in there. I don't eat pork. I don't mess around with beef. Alright? Usually when I do my Stewpeas, I put smoked turkey neck in there with some chicken feet. But this time I'm trying something a little different. Right? Y'all can see the chicken feet in there. Got my dumpling, got my red peas, and my turkey chop meat. Alright? So, it's the first time this has ever been done. I'm sure ain't nobody ever tried that. Y'all better not be biting off my style. Right? And it's gonna taste good because everything that Donald cooks tastes good. My wife can tell you. Tell him, baby.
Self-praise is no recommendation.
Tell him, baby.
I'm telling them.
Whatever I cook, it's good.
Self-praise is no recommendation.
Yeah, you know, she out there front. She know I can do my thing in the kitchen. I do my kitchen, all my thing in the L. Let me keep my mouth closed, you hear me? Keep my mouth shut. I don't want to throw no tongues up the roof. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to add some spices to my pot, you know, and let it sit there and simmer. And after that, I'm going to make a little bit of rice and some vegetables. I'm thinking about making some mixed vegetables and just call it that. If I do have them in the fridge, I think I have some in the refrigerator. If not, I'll probably just do some cabbage, right? Some steamed cabbage, right? And that should be about it. I do not want this video to be dragged on and long and drawn out, right? So I'm going to make it as short as possible, right? But like I said, my Stewpeas with a twist, right? Chicken feet and turkey chop meat, right? And my dumplings, no fixing in there, you know. I actually added the other thing of coconut in there, you know, because when I tasted it, I didn't taste the coconut, flavor. So I added the other container of coconut in there, to give it that flavor. I also add a container of hot soup, alright, to give it more flavor. So, like I said, right now what I'm going to do, I'm going to add my spices to it to get it going. Alright, so ladies and gentlemen, the Stewpeas came out very, 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 very nice. And it tastes good. Of course, I had to taste a little bit of it, right? And it's at the right consistency, nice and thick, the way it should be. And y'all must be wondering, why the hell did you make so much daggone Stewpeas and rice, Jonathan? Well, I do work a lot, right? And I do not like spending my money while I'm out there, especially for lunch, on a daily basis. Y'all know how expensive it gets when you're out there on a daily basis, working, and you got to spend money each and every day, right? And the money do adds up. You spend $5, $6, $7, $8, $9, $10 a day. It adds up every week. That's almost like $100 a week. I like to save a little bit of penny that I can have. I do not have much. So I like to save every penny that I do have. So that's why I cook. I cook enough so I can have food for the next couple of days. Right, at least until probably Thursday or Friday. I have to freeze it, and then when I go to work, I reheat it and stuff like that. But this is the last thing where we eat. Me and my family eat today. I have food for the rest of the week. All right, like I said, everything gets frozen. And I take it for the rest of the week. So that's almost done. The next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to make some rice, some seasoned vegetable rice. Right, I'm going to make the vegetables. Rice with kalu and some mixed vegetables, and that's gonna be it, right? That shouldn't take too long, right? That should take a few minutes. But this right here is just about complete. I just wanted to give you a brief footage of what it looks like. See bubbling up right now, right? Gonna turn them around, turn them over, give you guys some footage of what's going on in my pot, my big old Dutch pot, So yeah. So that's about it. So like I said, I'm going to do the rice right now and get that going. And like I said, it should be done. We should be eating about 7:30. I usually try not to eat after 8 o'clock, right? So we have a little bit of time, all right? So I'm going to finish this up and throw in my rice and get that finished. So we're going to have dinner before 8 o'clock and go about our business.
shit! Wow! Fucking go my foot down, John. Oh, there you go. Yeah, get down. Ah, fling on left, right, left, right. That foot down, bro. Hi. Quick, 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 quick. I'm trying to rot it. Why them too fast? Quick, yeah, quick, yeah, quick! Why? Freaking tail! Bigyan ka na tail din. Bigyan ka na no stop!
Alright, folks. No, dinner's not ready yet. Yeah, dinner ain't ready yet. Dinner should be ready shortly. Stop rushing. Stop rushing this daggone meal. Yeah, excuse my wife. You know, she's hungry. Right? What are they saying? Angry woman is an angry man, or angry some crap like that. Anyway, I'm about to turn the stove off on the Stewpeas. Right? The rice and vegetables getting started right now. That should take a few minutes. The rice that I'm using, because I was going to use my jasmine rice, I'm not going to use that right now because jasmine rice takes a little longer than usual to cook. So I'm using some parboiled rice. Right? I got my little container. Right? I have some left over in the cabinet in my pantry. So that should be done. That should take about 15 minutes or so. Alright, so I'm going to, you know, put my lid on there. Right, and actually these lids right here, I got them from Amazon. These things are amazing. And so I love using them when I'm cooking rice. You know, because it helps to keep the steam in the pot and have the rice cooks faster with these on the top. You know. Alright, so ladies and gentlemen, my rice and everything is on the way. Everything is almost done. Turn the stove off on the Stewpeas. Check on that. Yes, that's looking tasty and delicious. Smelling good in this kitchen. Sure, I wish my dad on camera had smell vision or, you know, some kind of smell mechanism so I can smell what's going on in this kitchen. Alright, what are you over here sucking your teeth for? You know, appreciate what your husband is in here doing. Yes, I'm here slaving in the daggone kitchen and you're sucking these daggone teeth before it's all done.
I have pig.
Yeah, I ain't cooking no damn pig. Ain't no pork in this house.
To cook.
Anyway, ladies and gentlemen, I'm sorry for that, you know, brief disturbance. My wife is, she's hungry. She's hungry, alright, and she's there eating crackers or cookies, whatnot. But dinner's almost ready. Lost my train of thought. I forgot what it, you know, see, I was really disturbed by my wife. Forgot what the hell I was talking about. But anyway, make sure you like, subscribe, comment, share, you know, my channel, other people out there. I need to build my subscription, you know, build my followers and so on and so forth, you know, because I like doing this. You know, this is my little hobby, you know. I ain't getting no money from YouTube right now, you know, but later on down the line, a couple years from now, I know it's going to blow up, you know, and stuff like that. You know, so I ain't doing it. I'm just going to shoot as much videos as I can, you know, doing my spare time, you know, because I like cooking. I like cooking, and my other channel, you know, the vehicle done, I like doing cars, you know. But of course, yeah, I can see the weather here, you know, East Coast, New York. It's not that great. I mean, even though for the past couple of weeks and so on and so forth, we've been getting some nice weather, right? But there are no car shows going on, right? And of course, the reason for there being no daggone car shows going on because of the daggone coronavirus thing that's going on, right? Yeah, I know what the hell's going on with this coronavirus. you know. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, my dinner's done. All right, my Stewpeas with turkey Chopmeat or turkey mincemeat and chicken feet. All right, Google peas and red peas in there. It's a mixture of everything. All right, and my rice with kalu and mixed vegetables. All right, so dinner's complete. All right, so my camera died. I had to recharge my camera, my battery and whatnot. You know, for me to get some more footage. Right, but you know, thank y'all for watching my, thank you for taking the journey with me. Another vlog. You know, run boat number 7. This is actually gonna be number 7 cooking vlog. All right. If y'all like this, all right, hit me a comment below. All right, and if y'all want to try it, go right ahead. You know, it's a simple recipe. You know, if y'all know how to make stewpeas and rice or stewpeas, you know, Jamaican stewpeas, which is my favorite dish. You know, y'all go right ahead. You know, and y'all can do whatever you want with it. You know, y'all can add whatever flavor you want with it, whatever twist you want to do. Well, like I do. You know, in Don's kitchen, you know, in Don the Average Joe kitchen, you know, I don't do nothing normal. You know, I do everything out of the ordinary. All right, so that's one of them. Right, and all the other stuff that I'm going to do in the future, like you know, family member, my brother is requesting for me to do empanadas. A couple of weeks ago, I did kalu empanadas. My brother's requesting for me to do aki empanadas. You know, so aki and saltfish empanadas. All right, I'm going to try that and see how it comes out. I'm not going to eat it. I might taste a little bit, you know, but I'm not going to really eat it because aki gives me a stomachache. Right, but my wife, you know, family members and all that stuff, everybody will eat it. And my coworkers, you know, taste it, you know, and say how they like it. All right, so that's going to be my next venture, you know, aki and saltfish empanadas. All right, so make sure I go like, subscribe, share, comment. All right, and check out my other channel, The Vehicle Don. All my car stuff is on there. Because I like to do cars also. All right, I like to cook, like to eat. All right, and I like to do cars. You know, so I'm about to go feed my wife. My wife has been, you know, bugging me for the past hour, so she's hungry. All right, so dinner's done. I'm about to go share our dinner and feed her and enjoy the rest of my evening. You know, y'all stay healthy out there. You know, this coronavirus that's going on, you know, it's infecting everyone. It's killing a lot of people, right? Take the necessary precautions that y'all need to take. You know, universal precaution to the fullest. Make sure y'all wear your gloves, your mask, and, you know, sanitize your house, sanitize your kids, sanitize everybody, right? Me personally, I work in the healthcare field, you know, so I'm part of the essential workforce. Watch my video, you know, make sure, like I said again, like, subscribe, comment, and share, all right? And check out my other channel. My Don the Average Joe t-shirts are available on dontheaveragejoe.com. Make sure you get some t-shirt. They're not that expensive, you know, but go check out the website anyway. All right, so once again, I'm going to stop rambling on. This is Don the Average Joe. One love, God bless, I'm out. Boom.